Jane Green, Jane Green, Jane Green. What about John Green? Oh my god, Mr. Darcy Vampire. Win Kitty. So Alaska, today I want to talk to you about how when you're looking for something, you can never find it. And then when you're not looking for something, you always find something that you want. Take, for example, said previous clip of the books. I was at the Northeastern bookstore. I wanted to see if they had Paper Towns or any of John Green's books so I could put little notes in them for future nerd fighters. I didn't really need anything, but what do I find? Mr. Darcy Vampire? Now, although I did not buy this book because I am currently reading Will Grayson, and I still need to finish Pride and Prejudice and Zombies, it is moved up on my list because number one, Pride and Prejudice is my favorite book / movie / greatest thing ever, and number two, vampires are and Pride and Prejudice at the same time? It puts my head in a bottle. And everyone watching this, I'm sure, has encountered the situation where you're at the mall and you need to find a pair of jeans. You're on a search. You say, hey friend, let's go to the mall. I need to find a pair of jeans. I need to get one now. You go to the mall, you walk around, you try to look for some jeans. At first you go to a few stores and you don't find really much at all because nothing fits or they don't have the size you want, or that's the same thing. Nothing fits, they don't have the size you want. You don't see the style that you want or it's too expensive. And then you get really frustrated that you can't find it, so you leave in an angry flurry. And then the next week your friend asks you to come to the mall with you to find an outfit for a party they're going to. And you find the pair of jeans that you want, right? And you tell yourself, why couldn't I have found these last week? Oh, well, last week I was actually looking for them. This time I'm not, and I happen to stumble upon them. And it's really frustrating because when you go to the mall and you really want something and you can't find it, you're just really angry because it's like, come on, I'm trying to find something that I want and I only find it when I don't want it. Or the other way, you know what I'm trying to say? It's like for the past 3 months I've been trying to look for rain boots. And then I finally find them when I'm not looking for rain boots at all and I'm just hanging out and it's like mid-April and I'm going to leave in 2 weeks, and why would I need rain boots when I'm going back to California? This weekend I have 5 days off since I don't have Tuesday, Friday classes, and Monday is Patriots Day, which is apparently only a holiday in Massachusetts, which is awesome. And tomorrow, Alaska, I'm going to go see a war reenactment, which means I have to film that for you, which means I have to go to the store and get a tape for my player of my camera video recorder, which means I can use it and film and show you the war reenactment that I'm going to see tomorrow. I'm so excited! Wow, okay, I don't know. I just watched Tessa's video, and so I did the whole thing. Okay, bye!